comprehension, let's read this. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Let's read.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, go.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is John Smith. I am 19 and student in college. I go to college in New York. My favorite courses are geometry, French, and history. English is my hardest course. My professors are very friendly and smart. It's my second year in college now. I love it. I live in a big house on Ivy Street. It's near the college campus. I share the house with the three other students. Their names are Bill, Tony, and Paul. We help each other with homework. On the weekend, we play football together.